Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to log in your account on TikTok. To get started, open your TikTok app. Now you can see that my account is already logged in. Let me first log out my account. Go to your profile icon. It will navigate to your profile interface. Now click on the username and here click on add account. It will navigate you to this interface. Now here you can see the options. To sign up for TikTok you can use the following, but we are here to log in our account, so let me click on login. Now to log in your TikTok account you can use any of the option. You can either use your phone number, email address, username, or you can continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple, continue with Google, continue with Twitter, or you can even continue with Instagram. So let me log in my TikTok account with phone numbers. So I choose the first option. Now here enter your phone number. Now click on send code. It will send code to your phone number, or you can even log in with your password if you remembered your password, but for now I forgot my password, so let me copy my code number and paste here. In this way you have successfully logged in your account on TikTok. So that wraps for today. If you guys liked this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.